We are hiking to Ponta da Piedade, which is one of the best lookout points in all of Lagos, and we're doing it for sunset for the first time because everyone says, how have you not seen the sunset there? We're testing out our hiking gear that we got at Decathlon, and we packed dinner, some drinks, and we're on our way. Vamos! Ponta da Piedade is known as the best viewpoint in Lagos, so if you're visiting the area, this is a must-see. You can access the point from car, Uber, Bolt, in the summer the tourist train, or our favorite, which is hiking, because there's so much to see along the way. The sights we see on our hike. Dang, that bag looks awesome. We took a quick dip. And
felt so good.
We're ready to continue the hike. The water is perfect temperature for the first time. Usually it's so cold. Usually when it's really hazy, like this, usually that either means it's an amazing sunset or a very anticlimactic sunset. So let's hope for amazing. Another pit stop for some water because we didn't bring enough. This place is right above Praia Dona Ana. This is where the path continues. So this abandoned building, go this way towards Praia Camilo. Look at that. God, it's beautiful. We're gonna take this street to the point and go right because the sunset is over there towards Lush. That's where all the people come. This is where so many people are over there. We chased the sunset and went away. Came back. It's night. You can see the light. by like Algarve, Portimao or whatever. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our hike to Ponta da Piedade. Stay tuned for more Lagos must-sees. We're going to be sharing a lot more of the Algarve leading up to the summer season, as well as some behind the scenes from our Amazing Race Taylor's version trip. Stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment.